Hello everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to give you a quick tour of my bedroom. I thought that this would be super fun to do because I am actually moving back into college in a couple of weeks, so it's going to be interesting to see how my college dorm differs from my bedroom. All right, let's get right into that tour. Okay everyone, so I am starting outside of my room, so let's head right on in. Okay, here she is. So you might notice that there are two beds, and that's because I share a room with my sister. She is a little bit, you know, who am I kidding? She's a lot messier than I am. In fact, I even made her bed for the sake of this video. She never does. I always make my bed because that is one of the most important habits that you could do, and there's so many studies done on it, and making your bed in the morning just sets you up to be a lot more successful. So anyway, I am only going to show you guys my stuff because I do want to keep her privacy. Her stuff is hers. So, all right, let's get started then. So I'm just gonna do a quick little pan around the room. All right, and I'm just gonna start over here. So this is my bed, and I have a lot of throw pillows over here right now. I have some pineapple ones because it is summer. And I also have this nice blanket over here. It's knit, and I have this because I actually get cold even in the summer because of the air conditioning. So then over this way, this is my little night table, nightstand, whatever you call it. And over here I just have some decorations. So I have a candle. This candle, by the way, you guys, it smells so amazing, and I have no idea what this scent is because I got this as a gift, and it didn't have a tag, and it, you know, I honestly don't even know where it's from, but it just smells so good, and I need to know. Anyway, I also have some crystals over here. Like, for example, this is rose quartz, and I totally believe in their like healing magical powers. And then over here I have this little tray for some jewelry, which is super nice because say I'm trying to go to sleep and I notice that my earring is bothering me, or I forgot to take off a bracelet, I could just put it over here and I won't even have to get up. That'll be nice and safe. And it's super cute. It says darling on it. And then I do have this bracelet on it right now, and this actually has rose quartz on it too, and it's supposed to promote positivity, and I just think that this is such a cute bracelet. And then I have this little elephant charm, which I found at work one day, and I see it as a symbol of strength, you know, just to keep going. I also have some lotion over here, this book, which is mostly for decoration purposes, and this whiteboard, which right now is empty, but sometimes I write stuff on it. And then also these are fairy lights, and right now they're off, but I turn them on at night when it gets dark. Right now it's in the middle of the day, so there's really no use. And then I have my little lamp over here. And then, you know, let's go into this drawer over here. So, let's see. In this drawer, I just keep the things that I use right before bed so that I don't have to go very far. So over here, I have some melatonin and some other, they're like supplements, I guess you would call them. They're just like natural extracts from plants, and they're supplements. They're supposed to help relax you. And then over here, I have some lotions, some hand lotion. Just different kinds. This, by the way, the Gold Bond is really awesome. It has worked so well for me. Over in this little section, I have different sleep sprays. They're all like lavender scented and stuff to help me fall asleep because I do have trouble with that sometimes. And then over here, I just have lip stuff, you know, Aquaphor Bliss Dex, which is my favorite chapstick ever. And then I have another candle over here, and this one also I haven't lit before, and it's just sort of waiting for its moment, and it's in the scent Asleep, so it's also supposed to help you fall asleep. So it's just chilling in here until I get to use it. And then I actually have a hair tie over here just in case you need it, some tissues, the book that I'm currently reading, and then over here I have a lot of like electronic stuff, just some extra fairy lights, the remote to my fairy lights right now, some headphones, and then my very old iPod 5. So that's been, had that forever. Okay, let's go on to the next drawer. All right, so this is the second one, and over in this one, I just have my pajamas. You know, very, very basic. And then I keep a water bottle right next to my bed because it's good to have water next to your bed because sometimes, you know, you'll wake up in the middle of the night and you really want some water. All right, and then if we spin around this way, I have a little poof to sit on with a little basket. And right now it doesn't have anything in it, but during the holidays, I like to put little ornaments in the basket. And then if we come around this way, I have a little mirror closet. Hey guys. And all right, let's open it up. Okay, so I just have all my clothes in here. You know, some of it is folded, some of it is hung. And then my sister takes the other half of it. But you know, this is actually the divider between our sides. So she's taking more like 3/4 of it. As you can tell, it's like halfway out to my side, but you know, that's okay. I'm going off to college soon anyway. And I just have everything all sorted nicely. All right, I won't get into too much about that. And on the floor right now, I have this thing folded up. It's my weighted blanket. It's a little bit too hot with it right now at night, so I just have it folded up. I don't really know where to put it yet. Oh, and also, I have my phone charger right by my bed. So this is just what it looks like all together. And then I'm just gonna spin around over here. And I'm actually going to show you this dresser over here. Hey, hello once again. This is my half of the dresser. That is my sister's. As you can tell, I have a thing for rose gold. Over here, I just have some jewelry. I have my bracelets, my necklaces, rings, my false eyelashes. This is a little tiny mirror. I actually bought it 1 year to go to summer camp with, so now it's just been chilling here. I have some more lotion and a diffuser. This is actually my sister's, but we share it for this room. Let's look in these little drawers. Okay, so in the top one, I just have my makeup. It's a little bit messy, but it's honestly a little bit difficult to keep it nice and clean. All right, and then this one, I just have my hair stuff. I have the biggest selection of scrunchies. I basically have one to match any outfit, and I just have my hair straightener, hair dryer, just some other hair products. And coming down here, I have some nail stuff mostly, and some extra like lip stuff, just some extra things like that, but it's mostly nails. And then in this little shelf, the top is my sister's once again, and then down here I just have some extra toiletries, so extra body washes, shampoos, lotions and stuff. And then in this basket I have bath stuff such as bath bombs. All right, I'm gonna close that up. And then in this one I just have like travel size things for when I am traveling, but it's not interesting, so I'm not gonna show you. And then if I just spin around this way, we have another dresser over here. And actually before that, there is this really, really nice rug over here. This thing is awesome. It's like the perfect pink color, and it's nice and soft and fuzzy. It's perfect. And then I just want to quickly show you guys the decorations up here. I just think it looks super nice. This candle, I also never light it, and it smells amazing. It smells like pineapples. So good. Up here, I have this top shelf, and I just keep all my swim stuff in here. So I have swimsuits, my cover-ups, and then I'll usually have some towels over here, but right now they're all dirty because I was using them. All right. Now this drawer, I just have socks, bras, tank tops, underwear, and then this bottom one we split in half, and these are socks, so I just have some random socks, some tights. Yeah. All right, so now I'm just gonna spin around to the window, which I really like the curtains, actually. I think that this pink color is perfect, and I love the material. And then, I'm sorry, that's like all blown out, but the white curtains are also super nice. They're like translucent. I love that. We have this little plant, and we also have these lights, which we turn on at night as well. They automatically turn on. This is kind of what they look like turned on right now. It is light in here, but you know, you kind of get the idea. And I love this window because it faces east where the sun rises. So in the mornings, this room will be so bright, and it's perfect because I love mornings. I love waking up to the sunlight. It just puts me in the best mood ever. And then, okay, so I'm just gonna come around this way. We have, that rug is actually from my dorm room, but I just put it here for now because I didn't know where else to put it. We have some extra throw pillows, which we use in the winter. We'll use them in place of like the pineapple ones, but instead of just putting them away, we just decided to put them here. It's like a little lounge area. My sister has some like good t-shirts over here. I don't know what she's doing with them. I told you she's kind of messy. And then this actually is probably my favorite thing in this room, and it is this little wire like thing to hang whatever you want. And this is just awesome because I could just hang up my favorite Polaroids over here and just look super cute, and also I get to look at my favorite people all the time. And then I'm just gonna spin around this way. This is what the closet mirrors look like, and then I actually have a clock over here, except it doesn't actually work because it is the loudest clock ever, but it was, you know, it was like $5 and it looked super cute, so I didn't want to return it. So right now it's just there for decoration purposes. Oh, and finally there is a trash can right by the door. I love this marble like print on it. It's really, really cute. All right, everyone, that is everything in my room right now. I think it looks really nice. We've spent the past maybe 6 years just slowly working on it, tweaking one little thing and the other. It's not like we went out and bought everything all at once. This has been a work in progress for years now, and I think it looks super, super nice. All right, everyone, that is the end of my room tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe you got some inspiration for how to decorate or organize your room, and if not, then hopefully you at least found it entertaining. I actually have a dorm room tour video up on this channel. It's not the best video, but it might be interesting to watch, and I will be uploading a dorm room tour for this semester, this coming semester, once I do move in, so that will be super exciting. Okay, then I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!